PHP versus JavaScript. Let's talk about it. You got two options, right? You got to pick one L. Lamborghinis or a life of pain. Which one would you pick? Because the option seems like, okay, obviously you pick the Lamborghini, right? Right? Well, PHP developers earn a lot of money. There's a lot of opportunity with WordPress. There's a lot of jobs because nobody's learning PHP. And there's a lot of Lamborghinis in PHP. Don't believe me? Look it up. Now, when it comes to the web, JavaScript is king, okay? JavaScript is king because the engines, the people who make these engines are also part of the body of ECMA that manages JavaScript. So they invested in making JavaScript fast on the web. So your web browser, your web engine, which there are three major ones, Chrome, V8, Edge, Chakra, Firefox, SpiderMonkey. These engines break down JavaScript code into a WebAssembly and make it much faster. So JavaScript is crazy fast. I'm sorry, it breaks down to machine code and makes it crazy fast. So when it comes to the web, JavaScript is king. Let's look at the ecosystems and which one is better for you, because PHP, when you get over that ugly syntax, when you get over that ugly syntactic hurdle and you dive into the OOP, MVC, Laravel world, I promise you, your life is easier, your life is sweet, and your life is beautiful. But when coming to JavaScript, there is no final hurdle of beautiful, nice, nothing, none of that, okay? Because like, when you get over JavaScript, you're going into React, and React that was built specifically to manage states sucks at managing states. So now you have to use something like Redux or whatever new thing is there. It's just done. There's going to be a new one because most of the things JavaScript does not work because JavaScript does not work. So the world of JavaScript, there is no final hurdle to get over. There's always going to be a challenge of a challenge. And by the time you get over one challenge, there's a new thing to learn, and you need to learn it because then you're left behind, or it fixes the problem of the old thing that you were learning before. And if you don't learn that thing, you won't be more efficient. So why would you not learn it? So there's always a hurdle to get over. Like JavaScript does not have that one framework that does everything like Laravel. We do have Adonis, but JavaScript developers would rather not use Adonis. Like they rather do everything themselves because they don't like peace of mind. Okay, so JavaScript ecosystem is much harder to get into, but like I said, JavaScript is king. So the choice is yours. I'm going to offer you again. Do you want a Lamborghini or do you want a life of pain?